stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.
Hello friends, welcome back to Living with Cambria, and welcome if you are new. So today we are doing a speed clean. I know most videos out there nowadays are like 30+ minute videos, but I know especially lately I have needed like quick instant motivation. So I put together today's video to give you just like a burst of motivation to get stuff done in your house. I know it's been really difficult here at home with homeschooling, which I did not sign up for, toddler, and then being pregnant and staying motivated and keeping on top of the house. So don't feel alone if you're feeling stressed and overwhelmed, because I am right there with you. But I'm hoping that this video today will get us all motivated and we can all get through this together. So let me know in the comments below what you plan on doing during or after this video, and let's do this.
And waiting around, it's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh.
So this was actually in the morning. My nighttime routine is kind of out the window right now because the kids are kind of on summer sleep hours where they stay up a little bit later and they sleep in. However, since we are still doing school when they get up, I wanted to get the kitchen as well as the dining room all straightened up. That way I could feed him breakfast and also get Xander started on school right away. He does all of his school at the dining room table, so that's why I'm trying to do just a quick tidy up of everything and then go to cleaning. That way once they were out of bed, they could get to work right away.
Give me somebody to love.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your...
So this is the only way I clean out my microwave. Now you can use just water like I'm doing here, where I just literally throw it in the microwave for 5 minutes and then I will let it sit for 5 minutes to steam, and it literally just wipes clean. You can also add a little bit of lemon. I just like the smell of when I add lemon. or vinegar. If it's really, really bad, vinegar works amazing. But it is the only way I clean out my microwave because it literally just wipes out super easy, and you don't need to worry about scrubbing or any of the mess that normally comes with cleaning out a microwave.
I just wanna be up in the club, but my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend.
So I've gotten asked this before of why I only do the bottom half of the cabinets. It's not that I only clean the bottom half of the cabinets. It's that about once a week I will wipe down the cabinets, and I just do where I can reach and what really gets dirty. And about once a month is when I will either climb on the counters or grab out the ladder to get the whole cabinets. But every time I clean them, I'm not doing the entire cabinets. I'm really just doing like where all the fingers are touching and all of that. And then I will do the bottom half of the cabinets all the way because kids, dogs, all of that. But yeah, the top cabinets, I don't wipe down top to bottom weekly. I do that about once a month.
Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been into places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
And then after I was done with these two main areas, I just turned on Roomba to let Roomba do all the vacuuming. I waited till after the kitchen and the dining room though, because that's usually where it starts. Plus, most of the crumbs and stuff are on those two areas. And then I moved into the living room because I knew I could get this quickly tidied up and dusted before Roomba made its way this way. So I just needed to fold some of the blankets and dust and just basic cleanup. As you can see, my little supervisor is watching every move I make.
To define who we are, draw the line and make it like we want it to be. Who's gonna be there to put up a fight? Who's gonna
And then on to mopping. We have had very wet, dreary days. So I've been dealing with these floors getting messy all the time. I am trying out a new mop. This is a power mop. This was actually the first time I tried it. This is not a sponsored video by any means. However, when companies send me stuff to try, I like to try and give my honest opinion. I did enjoy it. I thought it cleaned really well with the power bristles. However, I will say this will probably be used just for my speed cleaning, because normally I like having my big mop bucket of vinegar and water and all of that. And in this situation, it works better with my spray solution, which is normally what I just do for quick cleanups. But it did work really well for just those quick cleanups. Maybe I was thinking about trying to make my own spray solution of my vinegar and water. And then maybe I would use it more often as well. But like I said, first time trying this. I don't like to give 100% opinion until I've tried it a couple of times, but I will say at first use, I enjoyed it, and it was simple and easy to use. So I will leave in the description a link. That way, if you guys want to check it out, feel free. Like I said, not sponsored in any way, but I do like to give companies a quick shout out if they do send me stuff for free and give you guys my true and honest opinion on their products.